Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn additional to the FreeCAD sketching. Also, you learn about the application of FreeCAD tools like Additive Pipe, Thickness, MultiTransform and Draft. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert to the 3D solid part. There are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. These are the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. There are 3 ways to start FreeCAD Workspace. Click this button to start the FreeCAD Workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, new body is inserted automatically. In step 1, we create the part which is defined as position 1. We create the first sketch on XY plane with a thickness of 3.5 mm and without flange. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. Activate the Rounded Rectangle tool. Hold Ctrl and select the diagonal points and the axis center point, and then the Symmetry tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and extrude it by 33.5 mm. In step 2, we add draft to the solid part. The draft angle is 10 degrees. Select the top face as neutral plane. Select the faces. The next step is to add fillet on the bottom face of the part. The outer radius is 10 mm plus 3.5 mm. In step 4, we give thickness to the solid part. Don't forget to like and share the video. In step 5, we create the flange with dimension of 20 mm by 3.5 mm. We need to sketches to create the flange. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. First, extract the reference edges. First, we create roughly the shape of the profile with the rectangle tool, and we will constrain it later. Fillet the corners without dimensions. Now, constrain the fillet endpoints to the reference curve endpoints. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. We create the second sketch on XZ plane. Activate the View Section tool and extract the reference edges. Now create a second sketch for the profile with the help of Polyline tool. Now, let us add dimensions to the sketch. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the second sketch and activate the Additive Pipe tool. When you use the Additive Pipe tool, first select the profile and then the path. In step 6, we add fillet to the flange. In step 7, we create the holes on the bottom face. Select the face and activate the Sketch tool. Let us create reference curves from the existing part. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool. Before you apply the MultiTransform tool, measure the maximum distance between the holes. Select the hole and activate the MultiTransform tool. Click the right mouse button and select the linear pattern option. We have 6 holes in X and 9 holes in Y direction. Select the X-axis. Put the total length and the number of holes in X direction. Click OK to apply. Click the right mouse button and select again the linear pattern option. Now, select the Y-axis. Click OK to confirm. The part is finalized. At the end, we add material to the solid part. That is for today, and follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.